guys, welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I'm in my bedroom. I have washed my sheets and washed this blanket. I'm waiting on my comforter to get out of the dryer so I can put it on. But I come to give a little heart-to-heart with you guys. I have a secret, and I need to come clean. I have a problem, and I'm trying to fix it. A lot of people say, oh, that's not a problem. My problem is people give me clothes, I take them. Even if I can't wear them, I take them, and they're in my closet. And it's time to let things go. A lot of you guys don't understand why I have this problem. Back in 2014, I think it was 14 or 2004, our house burned, and we had lost everything. We had nothing. Yes, we had insurance on it, but you know how insurance is. If you don't have your receipts, they don't want to pay you anything, even though you have it on contents too. Make sure that you keep all your receipts in a different place. Don't keep them in your home. And ever since then, I've had a problem. When someone gives me clothes, I take them. I don't buy clothes. If I do buy something, I'm on the clearance rack, okay? I've always thought of others before myself. And my family knows that I've always put them first. I've never put myself first. And I watched a YouTube lady, and I have become her #1 fan. Every time she loads a video, I'm over there watching. And I'm proud of her, because she's showing you things, behind the screen, that her normal everyday life, and things are not always perfect, and life is not always perfect. So I'm just going to show you guys, I'm not perfect by no means. I may lose some subscribers for me showing my closet, but I'm fixing to get rid of a lot of clothes I don't wear, and I have a problem. When people give me purses, I take them. So you guys are fixing to see, I can't get in my closet, okay? So I mean, it's not as bad as I have seen some, but it's got to go, okay? I don't know what's in this closet, so we all gonna find out. Alright, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you. Alright, guys. This is my closet. I'm ashamed of it. Yes, it's my clothes and hubby's clothes, but you know, hubby can't fit in here, and as you guys can see, I'm ashamed of it. And I'm gonna put you guys in fast mode. I'm going through. I'm getting rid of most of everything that's in here. I do not need it. Alright guys, tonight, that's how much I got rid of. I got rid of one box and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of clothes. And I'll show you guys over here. Take you guys for a ride. At least I can get in the closet right now. I know I still have a lot in here, I know, but I do have a shelf here cleared. Most of the rack down here is gone. I gotta put those pillows in a bag and stick those in the attic. A lot of hubby's clothes over here, a lot of mine up there, but it's a lot better than what it was. Don't judge me, I know, but me doing a little bit each day is a big help out. I'm not gonna overdo it, because if I do, I will get upset and just stick it all back in the closet. So I'm stopping now, put away what I got in here, take those clothes, put them back in my car. I'll take those clothes and donate them at the Salvation Army thing. Ours, it doesn't matter, you don't have to wash them, they wash them, and they hang them on hangers. A lot of the clothes I put in there are, some of them still has tags on them, but I never wore them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all, I'm putting this in with this. You guys know, I just took a lot of clothes hangers down. My husband told me I had a problem. Because I like to have my clear hangers here, my white ones, and then the color ones. Then I like to have the black ones all together. And then the metal ones, I use those in case I don't have enough. And then I have these little plastic ones, you know, I may not even use them. But my husband told me I had a problem. Because everything has to be organized, okay? The way I like to grab them. Do I have a problem? Do I have a problem? Please help.